up this morning, sun shining bright. Birds are singing sweet, everything feels real right. Got my coffee brewing, the world's alive. Feeling the rhythm, yeah, we're gonna thrive. Let's take a stroll in the morning air. Butterflies dancing, love is everywhere. Flowers blooming wild, colors in a spree. It's a perfect day for you and me. Oh, the birds and the bees singing out in harmony with the flowers and trees. Let's embrace the jubilee, laughing loud, feeling free, just you and me. Yeah, you and me. Picnic blanket laid under the shade. Honey in your smile, love never fades. Chasing the clouds, we're floating on dreams. Sweet like honey, bursting at the seams. The winds whisper softly, carrying our song. With each little moment, we can't go wrong. Dancing through the garden, barefoot and free. It's a blissful moment, just you and me. Oh, the birds and the bees singing out in harmony with the flowers and trees. Let's embrace the jubilee, laughing loud, feeling free, just you and me. Yeah, you and me. And when the sun sets low, paints the sky in gold, we'll watch the stars come out, let the stories unfold. Every little heartbeat, every glance we share, like the blooms in the spring, you know I'll always care. Raindrops gently falling, a symphony so sweet. Underneath the covers, where our hearts will meet. Moonlight shining down like a silver beam. Cuddled close together, lost in a dream. Laughter fills the air, it's a joyful scene. With the birds and the bees, living like a dream. Hand in hand together, wild and carefree, creating our magic, just you and me. With the birds and the bees singing out in harmony with the flowers and trees. Let's embrace the jubilee, laughing loud, feeling free, just you and me. Yeah, you and me. So here's to the moments, the laughter and cheer, to the songs of the seasons, so perfectly clear. With the birds and the bees, we'll forever be in this happy dance of life, just you and me.